Hey guys, welcome back. So we finally got our lights that we ordered on Amazon. I'll give you a show now what they look like, and we're gonna do a quick video of installing them. I also got the water reservoir for the windscreen, so I'll install that as well while we're at it. So here's what the lights look like. So these are the lights that we got on Amazon. They're LED lights with daytime running halo. They should be plug and play for the most part, but one is for the turn signal and one is for the daylight running time, so I'll have to wire that in at some other point, but that's the connection. That should be all we need to replace the halogen bulbs that we have installed currently. Okay, so there's space for me to put the new reservoir that I bought in here. So I'll just have to move the cables around and there we go.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up.
Okay, moment of truth. See if this works. We'll just finish topping up the water. There we go. All the way to the top. Okay, and we'll start the car and see if it works. There we go. Mostly working. A little bit of a blockage on the one nozzle. But I'm sure I can sort that out with just a toothpick or something. But there we go, one thing done. Okay, so we're lucky we've got star screws, so we'll just undo them so we can get this light out. I don't think these are the original screws, but they will work. And we loosen the actual bezel around the light. So that is now out. Nice and easy. Unscrew the light. Take the new light. Plug it in. And we have to line up these tabs with those tabs, like such. And then we put this back. Okay, what we're going to do now is we're just going to turn the lights on and see that they're actually working. So So there's the date, the normal running lights. So that's on. And high beams, that's on. Okay, so the lights are working. So that's normal beams, both of them are working. But I've noticed when we put the high beams on, only the one is working, the other one turns off. So that means that there is a wiring issue in that light, or the high beams don't work. So I'll have a look and then see after I've tried a bit. So after checking all the wiring, I found the problem. It was a bad connection here. So now you can see we've got low beams on both lights. And high beams on both lights. So I'll neaten up the wiring, make sure that they're all watertight and put on the covers, and then they should be good to go. And we will have a look tonight and see what a big difference they make. So these are the old halogen bulbs, the low beams and the high beams. And then these are the LED bulbs, the low beams, and then the high beams, which are a spotlight. So that is it. Even on a remote island, it's possible to do some upgrades to your Jeep, just as long as you got some motivation and patience as you wait for your parts to arrive. But stay tuned for the next video, and maybe we do something more adventurous.